There's always someone, when they walk into the room, all the living plants, they just die in their presence. Nobody wants to work with an energy-sucking vampire. You know what I'm talking about. There's always someone, when they walk into the room, all the living plants, they just die in their presence. You and I both know sales is a transference of energy. If I can't generate enough energy, enough passion, enough enthusiasm, I'm not gonna influence the people that I'm near. Or worse, if I show up in my head, I know I'm dead. If I show up a little down, a little, this deal just fell apart, or this is going on in my life and I'm just uncomfortable. When you show up like that, you transfer that energy to buyers, to sellers, to potential prospects. So what's the most important lesson? You've got to get your energy right. No one cares what's going on in your life. Sorry, I'm not being mean, but you know what I'm saying. Nobody cares. So you got to generate that energy, that passion, that enthusiasm. Maybe you just start by saying, what do I love about what I do? What do I love about the obstacles that are in front of me? What do I love about serving clients? What do I love about helping this person? What am I committed to with this person? And you start answering those questions, and then bang, you show up at your very best, ready to serve, and not acting like an energy-sucking vampire.